Planning Map How-To. First, you want to start with your main character. In this box, you want to draw your character and use adjectives to describe their inside and outside traits. For the setting, that would be the next box you'd want to fill in. You're going to draw your setting and add some adjectives to describe it. Remember, the setting is when and where your story takes place. The next three boxes is the heart of your story. The beginning, what is the problem? So in this box, you want to introduce your character and describe your setting to the reader. This is also where you want to let your reader know what the problem will be in your story. Remember, boys and girls, the problem doesn't have to be big. It can be very small, as long as it's interesting to your reader. In the middle box, you want to draw some examples of the events that will take place in your story. You will want to use details and transition words to help your reader understand your story. And lastly, the last box is your ending. How does the problem get solved? This is where you will let your reader know how your character solves his or her problem in the story. Remember, this is just a planning sheet. This is not where you're going to write your whole story. This is just where you're going to sketch your ideas and write down some words that you're thinking of using in your story. If you get stuck, remember you can always come back to this how-to sheet, or you can scan your learning video and watch examples again. Good luck!